Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung Dishwasher OE error code, Overfill, Overflow, causes and step-by-step. Fix 1. Clear the soap suds and reset. You just have to open the door and inspect for heavy foam or suds. If suds are found, you just have to scoop them out. Wipe down the interior of the tube and leave the door open for 30 seconds to allow remaining foam to settle. Fix 2. Clean the filter and sump it. You just have to pull out the bottom disc rack completely and turn the cylindric mesh filter counterclockwise and lift it out. Pull out the flat metal filter screen underneath it. You just have to wash both filters under a warm running water with a soft brush. Use a sponge to remove any standing water or a foot chunks from the sump pit area where the filters sit. You just have to reinsert the filter securely. Fix 3. Clean the sink drain and garbage disposal. Run your garbage disposal for 10 seconds to ensure it is completely empty. Look under the sink and inspect the corrugated dishwasher drain hose and straighten out any visible kinks, loops or sharp bends in the hose. Fix 4. Perform a hard power reset. Unplug the dishwasher from the wall outlet or turn off the dedicated circuit breaker. Leave the power completely disconnect for 15 minutes and you just have to turn the power back on. Start a fresh empty cycle to see if the dishwasher remains and fills normally. Fix 5. Check for faulty inlet valve if error persists. Listen for a running water while the machine is off to check for a stuck inlet valve. If the water is here, turn off the water supply valve under the sink and replace the water inlet valve located at the bottom left base of the appliance. Thanks for watching.